It's okay, Bird.
Nicholas flipping out because he wants a marker, and now he's going to beat the crap out of his brother.
Bird. Bird. This is not right.
That's not nice, Nick.
Bird.
Barky. No.
No hitting.
Stop.
Say please. Please. Yeah.
He's tired. I'm telling Daddy.
You're recording, Mom?
Where's Daddy?
You're recording?
Nicholas, where's Daddy? Hmm? Oh, my baby. Look at you making a mess. I'm telling Mama. Mama! Uh-huh.
Mama! Shut up, Kevin. Mama!
Mama's coming. Put it back.
Mama!
Put it back.
Ma.
Mama!
Oh.